My name is Jason. I am a rising junior at Lowell High School, and for my final project I built the Build Your Own Amazon Echo, and this is my first modification. For my first modification I built an amplifier which amplifies the signal coming from the Raspberry Pi loud enough so you can hear it through the speakers. So, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 9:18 a.m.
I also have a Bluetooth receiver that I can connect to using my phone, and this allows me to play music through the speakers. How this amplifier works is I have two audio cables, one coming from the Bluetooth receiver, the other the Raspberry Pi. And then it gets split off into the left and right channels. The channels then go into the potentiometers. A potentiometer is like a resistor, but the resistance changes when you turn the knob. This allows it to act like a volume knob. The signal then goes into the LM386. It amplifies the signal so you can hear it through the speakers. A challenge I had while building this amplifier was when I was playing music and there was a lot of background noise. I figured out that it was because of the diode that I originally put, which prevents DC voltage from going backwards into the Raspberry Pi, which can damage it. I fixed it by replacing it with a capacitor, which does the same thing, but doesn't mess with the signal at all. What I plan to do next is to move this amplifier circuit onto a perf board and to build a wooden container to house all the components. I learned how an amplifier works and how to build one. Thank you and goodbye.